Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Remember this? Well, I'm going to share with you a really sweet way that you can use it. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all so much for the wonderful ways in which you support me and my channel. Thank you so much for being here today. I really do appreciate it. In a previous video, we transformed a Dollar Tree gift box into this. We had the medium as well as the small. Today I'm going to share with you a really cute way that we can use this, and the way that I'll be using it, it can be used as a gift, or you can place it on your own desktop and just pull from it when you need to. So I'm going to flip to my overhead camera so that I can give you a really good look at what I'm talking about. But y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, y'all. So what I decided to do was to take this one, the larger one, and turn it into a note card caddy. And I wanted the note cards to be especially special, and I wanted them to be blank. And that is what we're going to be doing today, y'all. It's Make a Card Monday. So we are going to make a beautiful blank note card complete with a lined envelope. So here are 3 of the blank note cards that I've made. And here is our lined envelope for this one. Super easy process that I'm going to be using, but I think a set like this is just so adorable. Y'all, look at how cute that is. You can put any type of a message on this that you want. You can take some word stickers and lay down a nice little message. You can even rubber stamp this with a cute little message, and then you can write on the inside. Easy peasy is the name of the game today. So we're going to take our cards and place them in the box. I am going to go back and make the envelopes to go along with all of the cards that will be in here, and you can tell that this box will hold a lot of cards. I'll bet you can very easily get 20 cards and 20 envelopes in this box and still have some room to spare. So here's what I'm going to be using to make today's super easy card. So I have 2 pieces of text weight scrapbook paper, and these are approximately 5.5 by 5.5. And someone asked, what do you mean by text weight? What I mean is the paper is light enough that you can run it through your printer and print text on it. You can't do that with all papers that we use, but your standard printer paper or copier paper is considered text weight paper, and this has the consistency of that. So when I say text weight paper, I simply mean it's thin enough that it'll run very easily through your printer. So I have 2 pieces of this, and then for the envelope I have a piece that is 7 by 11, and for the card I have a piece that is 5 by 8.25. Could not make it 5.5 by 8.25 because the box would not hold it. And so we're going to go ahead and score the card on the 8.5 inch side. We score at 4.25. We'll go ahead and score for the envelope. On the 7-inch side, we score at 7/8 inch. We rotate it to the opposite 7-inch side and we score at 7/8 inch. Then we turn it to the 11-inch side and we score at 4.25 and at 8 5/8. So then we're going to fold and burnish our card, and let's just go ahead and fold and burnish all of the scores on the envelope as well. Y'all, this is going to be a very quick Make a Card Monday, but I think that you'll agree it is a very beautiful one. And if you've never seen me make a lined envelope, I'll show you the easy peasy cheat process. So now we have everything folded and scored. I need to cut this down. So this is 5 by 4.25, and I want a little bit of a border. So I am going to cut this 4 7/8 to 4 1/8. So I cut this piece, one piece, at 4 7/8 by 4 1/8. So now I'm just going to take some tape, add some tape to the back. And I'm going to take this and I'll take my piece and I'm just going to put it down, trying to get it even on the four sides. So you can see that I have a nice little border going around. Not a big border, but just a nice little border. So there's my card. It's clear on the inside, so you can write on the inside. I'm not doing much. So now I'm going to take the envelope and we're going to free this center tab by simply cutting in like this and cutting in like that. Cutting in here and cutting in here. Because we'll fold this in. So now I'm just going to remove these corner pieces, and as I'm cutting in a downward motion, I am angling in just a little bit. We need to go ahead and line the envelope. So the way that I'm going to line the envelope is I'll place it in like this, and it will cover to this point. This will fold up. So that's why I called it a cheater method, because it's not going to be a fully lined from top to bottom, but the parts that you will see will be completely lined. So now we're going to take this, put it in, and measure. And it is 5 1/8. So that means that this piece cannot be any wider than 5 1/8. So I can see that I need to trim to 5 1/8. And so now when we put it in, it'll go in like that. So I'm going to take my tape runner and we are going to just put down some tape. You just want to make sure that you have a pretty good coverage of tape. So now that I have my tape on, I am actually going to place my liner all the way at the top, or close to all the way at the top. And there we have it. So now I can go ahead and remove this piece by angling, and then remove this corner piece by angling. And then I'll take my scissors and we'll just round. If you have a corner rounder, you can use that as well. I don't mind using my scissors. And I'll do the bottom. So now I'm going to take the top flap and just fold it over like that. And then I'll fold these two pieces in. I'm going to take my tape, place some tape there, some tape there, a little tape there. And you can use glue on this part, and I normally do, but my tape was handy, so I just went with that. And so now, just like that, I have another beautifully lined envelope to go with my beautiful blank note card. Y'all, this is so elegant. You can do it with any size of these boxes. I just chose to go with the larger size, but I need to go back and make the envelopes to go with the other two cards that I've already made for this, but I think that this is just so gorgeous. And now we can take it, take our envelopes as well, and we can start filling our box with beautiful envelopes and beautiful cards and a beautiful holder. So I hope that you have enjoyed this super easy way to make blank note cards and lined envelopes to go in your beautiful boxes. If you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.